Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Pisces Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Pisces Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Pisces Ascendant people, Sun controls your sixth house, and right now Sun is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Scorpio, where your ninth house Lord is already moving. Sixth house deal with your court cases, your litigations, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine is seen from sixth house. Your debt, your loans is also seen from sixth house. Your hidden enemies is also seen from sixth house. So right now, sixth house Lord is moving in your ninth house, where ninth house Lord is also moving, and ninth house deal with your luck-related matter. So we can expect good result regarding your competition, regarding your court cases. If you have any court cases and competition in the month of December, also we can expect good result regarding your loans related matter. You will able to pay your loans back in the month of December, because right now your sixth house Lord is moving in your ninth house, and ninth house Lord is in a strong position. Also, Jupiter is moving in your second house, in the house of money. That's how Jupiter is affecting your sixth house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your loans related matter, regarding your competition related matter in the month of December, especially till 17th of December, because Sun will stay in your ninth house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your 10th house in the sign of Sagittarius. So after 17th of December, when your sixth house Lord will be moving in your 10th house, then we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your profession related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your achievements at your workplace, because also right now your fourth house Lord is also moving in your 10th house, and Mercury is also about to turn into its retrograde motion in the month of December. We will talk about in Mercury section. So after 17th of December, when your sixth house Lord will connected to your work as well, daily routine in the sense of work, and 10th house deal with your work related matter, and after 17th of December, your sixth house Lord will be moving in your 10th house. That's why we can expect good result after 17th of December regarding your work related matter and your profession related matter in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Pisces ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Mercury controls your seventh house and your fourth house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Sagittarius, as we discussed previously in Sun section. Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion in your 10th house after 13th of December, and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024 in your 10th house. Fourth house deal with your mother, your homeland, your comfort in life is seen from fourth house, your property, your vehicles, and your conveniences in life is also seen from emotions is also seen from fourth house. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships in general is seen from seventh house. Your legal bindings, your legal commitment is seen from seventh house. Your business partnership is seen from seventh house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from seventh house. And your fame along with 10th house is also seen from seventh house. So right now, seventh house and fourth house Lord is moving in your 10th house, and from 10th house Mercury is also expecting its own house, your fourth house Lord. That's why we can expect good result. Also, we can expect great result regarding your mother's health, regarding your home related matter, and your comfort related matter in the month of December. We can also expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. But Ketu is also moving in your seventh house after 30th October 2023. So we can expect you may have to face some difficulty. You may have to face some confrontation if you are married right now from your partner. Also, we can expect some disturbance regarding your business partnership if you have business partnership. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of December for all the Pisces ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Venus controls your third house and your eighth house, and right now Venus is moving in its own sign in your eighth house. Third house will be your communication, your younger siblings is seen from third house, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friends is seen from third house, your efforts, your mainly your communication and your hands and your handwriting is seen from third house. Eighth house deal with your secret activities seen from eighth house, your research activities, your hidden knowledge is seen from eighth house, your sexual organ is also seen from eighth house, your in-laws related matter, your longevity, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house, your unexpected events means your sudden positive event and sudden negative event is also seen from eighth house. So right now, third house lord is in a strong position in your eighth house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your unexpected gains in the month of December. Also, we can expect good result regarding your communication related matter and your broadcasting related matter if you are doing broadcasting, because right now your communication house lord is moving in the house of secrets. So we can expect you will reveal many secrets through your broadcasting in the month of December for your fellow people. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Pisces ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Pisces ascendant people, moon controls your fifth house, and right now moon is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for whole month, because moon is considered as very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associate with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Mars controls your second house and your ninth house, and right now your second and ninth house lord is in a strong position in your ninth house. Second house deal with your family, your money related matter is seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habits, your bank account, your financial status is also seen from second house, and your upbringing, your early upbringing is also seen from second house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your DNA, your long distance travel, your religious knowledge, your religious inclination is seen from ninth house, your higher education means your post-grade education is seen from ninth house. So right now, second house lord is in a strong position in your ninth house, and Jupiter is also moving in your second house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your money related matter and your unexpected gain, because your eighth house lord is also moving in your eighth house, and from eighth house Venus is also expecting Jupiter, and Jupiter also expecting Venus, your eighth house lord. So we can expect great result for you people regarding your money related matter, regarding your unexpected gains in the month of December. Also, we can expect good result regarding your father's health and your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere in the month of December, because right now your ninth house lord is in a strong position. And so we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter as well in the month of December. Also, your 12th house lord is in a strong position. Saturn is also moving in your 12th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your foreign settlement and foreign travel related matter in the month of December. So we can expect these results from all the Pisces ascendant people. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your ninth house, but Sun will move to your 10th house after 17th of December in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 8th house, and Venus will move from your 8th house to your ninth house after 24th of December. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 10th house, and Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your 10th house after 13th of December and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your second house, and right now Jupiter is moving in its retrograde motion, but Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your second house after 1st January 2024. For today's video, monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Pisces Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.